ASTD has been amazing. Let me tell you, when I first moved here in about June 2000, I didn't know anybody. So my sister said, why don't you look up your local ASTD chapter? ASTD? What in the world was that? I had no idea. So I talked to my boss because he was also in training, and we thought, okay, let's go on the internet and see what we can find. Sure enough, there it was, my local ASTD chapter. So we signed up for the first meeting. We were all excited. And boy, when we got there, we thought, where have we been? We had no idea that there was an organization out there helping trainers, facilitators, such as myself. And boy, I tell you, I have never regretted my membership. I have earned or received every penny of that membership. And talk about the networking. I have met so many people there. You know, at first I thought, I'll just be on the sidelines, don't get involved at all, just get the little bit I needed and go. Before I knew it, one thing after another, I was just drawn in, and all these tools kept coming to me. Oh, and I just took them back to work. They thought I was amazing, because every time we did a training session, we had a new tool to use. And where did I get it? At my ASTD meetings. I'm telling you, if you are in training, doing any kind of facilitating, especially if you're new in town like I was, look up your local ASTD chapter. I tell you, I am so grateful, especially for that Northeast Oklahoma chapter. It's been wonderful.